Welcome. In this lecture, we would focus on millets. Now, 2023 has been declared as International Year for Millets. Now, what are millets? Millets are coarse grains. Now, India is one of the lands where you have lots of millets that are found, and it was believed that Indian subcontinent consumed millets even 5,000 years ago. That means India is home to traditional variety of coarse grains. Similarly, if we talk about China, it dates back to nearly 4,000 years. Now in India, which millets can be grown and the benefits, the health benefits as well as the advantages and disadvantages of millets is what we would cover in this section. The idea is these millets were considered as the first crops to be domesticated in India. Now, when the domestication took place, it was considered prior to the advent of rice and wheat, the discovery of rice and wheat, that millets were discovered and domesticated. Initially, millets have been considered predominantly as a kharif crop. However, they are now some millets which are even seen during the Rabi season. Also, we have from India jowar as one of the biggest millets or which is also called as sorghum. We would talk about some of the major millets and their classification as we move forward with this lecture. But the millets have been used for numerous purposes, not only for food but also for fuel, for fodder, as biofuels, for brewing industry. There have been n number of uses for which millets have been known, and this is a food which is considered as good for farmers, good for consumers and good for planet. So promoting the use of millets has been a very important aspect. Now when we talk about millets, which are small coarse grain cereals classified based on the size of the grain, they can be classified as major millets, minor millets, and then you have pseudo millets. Under pseudo millets, we have kuttu and ramdana or rajgir, amaranth and buckwheat as the major ones. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the major millets, and then we have minor millets as foxtail millets, kudu millets, proso millet, little millet and barnyard millet. Among this, pearl millet is one of the very different species, and there are certain limitations with the consumption of bajra or pearl millet which have been found, which we would discuss as we would proceed further with the advantages and disadvantages of each of those. Another important classification for millets is a millet which is husked and which is non-husked or called as a naked millet. Now under the naked millet, it is mainly the jowar, bajra and ragi, and they do not require processing after they are harvested. However, those which are husked, as the name suggests, the husk has to be removed. So kodo millet, little millet are some of the examples where you have to remove the husk before the consumption of these millets. So let's focus on each of these millets one by one. So first talk about one of the major minor millet, which is the foxtail millet. Now foxtail millet is known as kakum or also known as kangni. So kangni atta or kangni flour is the common word. Now it is known for balancing diabetes, sugar control, and has good amount of iron and calcium which is present. So it is good for good amount of iron and calcium, is known to control sugar, so is good for diabetes, and also increases high density lipoproteins, which is HDL, and it increases the good cholesterol, decreases the bad cholesterol. So it's good for blood or good for cholesterol purposes. The next is finger millet. Finger millet, which is considered as ragi, is a very important source for iron. It is gluten free. It is also rich in protein and is known for brain development. So called as a healthier substitute of the normal millets, ragi is considered one of the important millets. The next is bajra or pearl millet, usually consumed during the winter months. It is one of the millets which is considered as nutrient dense, has huge amount of iron, fiber and protein which is present in the bajra. It is used to fight diseases such as asthma, gallstones and breast cancer. The next is jowar, which is also